Hey, I'm Phil from Sicard RV. I'm going to show you the 2021 Jayco Jay Flight 265 RLS. We're going to start with the exterior of this unit. We have these solid steps by MORryde that simply lift up inside the unit, just like this. Here's another standard feature on all Jayco products, the Goodyear tires. Better tire wear and reinforced sidewalls. Over here, built into the arms of the awning, we have the exterior speakers in the corners of the arms. And also we have the LED strip underneath the awning. Here's another standard feature for Jayco products. You get 2-year warranty bumper to hitch and 3 years on the structure. Over here in the front of the unit, we have 20-pound propane bottles. The great thing of this is that you can go to any gas station or supermarket to do the exchange program. That's a great benefit of the 20-pound propane bottles. So here we are on the interior of the 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8 265 RLS. In the rear of the unit, you will see 2 lounge chairs. Over here we have the sleeper sofa that accommodates up to 2 people to sleep. And just over here we have the dinette that accommodates 2 people as well to sleep. So just over here in the galley we have the dual-sided sinks, microwave stainless steel, your stove, your oven with these fancy light-up buttons. Just over here we have a 6 cubic foot reefer, and just above me we have the 13,500 BTU standard air conditioning. And now we're going to take a look at the bathroom. Follow me. And here we have the radius corner shower. And just over here, we have a ton of storage. Look at this, folks. And here we are in the bedroom that features a queen-size Serta mattress, mood lighting, and an emergency door to the outside. Thank you for taking the tour of the 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8 265 RLS. If you'd like to book your appointment to come in and view it, contact us at sales@sicardrv.com.